So this is my main speed cubes video. I'll just be going over what cubes I use and the corner cutting, turning style, speed, price. First up, 2x2. I only have my main is the Modi Lingpo. Really good cube. Corner cuts over 45, just over, with no force. Thus, about a quarter of a QB. It's cost me about £6 off QBZ. Next up, 3x3s. I use 3x3s. My Diane Young as one-handed. I'm not very good at one-handed, so I'm just using this. Main 3x3, my Diane. I've got most four of these cubes yesterday, so I've only just started using this one. Back up is my YJ Guanglong. Really nice. Cost me about £3. No, £2 actually. Really light, airy. On my tensions it can cut just below 45. With reverse near enough 3/4 QB. My tensions are quite tight. I forgot to go over the price of the hammer. £7. Corner cuts 45 with force. Reverse with force, about 3/4. Next up, 4x4. Only big cube, skewb V3 or 4. Really good, about £4. I've got it in a deal off Amazon. On 3x3 step, corner cut. So edges, outer layers, turn, corner cut. Just about QB, and reverse. Just about QB. In layers, about half with no bit reverse. Skewb, lemon skewb. Cost me about £4. Corner cuts quite well actually. No reverse though whatsoever. Yeah, that's good. Next up, my first pyraminx. Got it for Christmas 2013, so I don't know the price. Corner cuts quite well. This isn't actually loose. Anything that's tight is just because I put some washers in, which made it somehow go really loose, but still good. And finally, megaminx, shell. Cost me about £5. Really good. Corner cuts near enough line to line, but if not, locks up. No reverse. Thanks for watching, guys.